Hi friends, it's Miss Drywa. So for math, we're still working on multiplication, we're still doing our 7 times table, and we're still doing amazing. So for today, we're going to be able to multiply by our 7s, right? Our 7 times table. We're going to start off with some skip counting, and then we're going to get into a 1 digit by 1 digit multiplication problem and a 2 digit by 1 digit multiplication problem. So this way we have an example of each, and then you can work on your worksheets that you're all doing so well at. All right, so let's get started. So remember friends, when we are skip counting by a number, we always have to start with that number. And what number are we working on this week? 7, great job. So that means we're going to start with the number 7. Awesome job. Now I want everyone to say it with me because remember, when you see it, hear it, say it, you're more likely to remember it. So let's get started. So 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, and 70. Let's do that again. Okay, ready? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, and 70. All right, awesome job. So let's get to multiplying. So we have here 6 times 7. Now remember, we have our 2 strategies that we could use. We could use our equal groups that I know some of my friends are using, or we could skip count on our touch points, which I know some of my friends are using. So I'm going to show you both. This way everybody has an example of what works best for them, and then you can go work on your worksheets. So let's see, I have here 6 times 7. So my first number tells me how many equal groups I am going to need. So how many groups do I need, friends? 6. Awesome job. So I'm going to make my 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll put 6 down here. Awesome. So the first number told me how many groups I needed, which was 6. Now, how many do I put in each group? My second number tells me that one. Awesome, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Awesome. So now that I have 7 in each group, I can skip count by 7 to find my answer. Remember, you could count up all these lines, but that would take a while, right, friends? And we're trying to practice our skip counting here. So let's skip count by 7 because I have 7 in each group. So this is 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. So 6 times 7 equals 42. Ta-da! There we go. So now to try our other way, to make sure that we also did this correctly, right? We can skip count on our touch points. So our first number is the number we're going to skip count on, and our second number tells us what to skip count by. So we're going to skip count by 7 on our 6th. Now remember, these special dots, they look different than this one. They stand for 2 touch points. So I have to skip count by 7 2 times on those touch points. So 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. So 6 times 7 still equals 42. Awesome job. Let's go to the next one. Now remember, this one is a 2-part problem because our first number has 2 digits in it. It has a 1 and a 5. And the 7 has 2 jobs now, where in this type of problem, he only had to multiply by 1 number. Now he's multiplying by 2 numbers, 2 digits. So we always start with our ones place, just like in adding and subtracting. So we have 5 times 7 in our ones place. Now, my friends, you can make 5 groups and put 7 in them, or you can skip count by touching the touch points on the 5. So remember, we're going to skip count on 5 by 7. So we're going to start with 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Oof, now 35 looks like this. And I have another number over here, so there's not enough room on the bottom for 2 digits, only 1. So I put my 3 over here, and I put my 5 down below. 1s go below, 10s goes above. Okay? Now I can do 1 times 7, because the 5 is all done. He did his job. Now it's the 1's turn. And we know 1 times 7 is always that, 1 times a number is always that other number. So 1 times 7 is going to equal 7. But I'm not done because I have a 3 up here. So I have to add 3 to my 7. So I have 7, and then I have 8, 9, 10. Well, I don't have any other digits here, so I have enough room to put my 2 digits down here. So I can put a 10 there. So now I have 15 times 7 equals 105. All right, friends. Great job. You're all doing an amazing job. I'm super proud of you and keep up the awesome work. I know math is not easy, but I know all of you are doing amazing. You're all rock stars. All right, friends, so have a great day. Bye.